Now, this video is if this doesn't return TensorFlow 2 point something. So this project is based off TensorFlow 2.0 and above, so we need to import that. If you run this cell and your TensorFlow version is over 2 point something, you can skip this video and continue on to the next one. This is if your TensorFlow version is like mine and under 2.0. Let's see how we'll do it. So we want to go import. There's a little trick in Colab to get it without running through these upgrade steps. Don't worry about these upgrade steps. I'll just show you the code to do it. So try. Now we want to run a TensorFlow magic. Now the important thing to note is that this magic function, remember a magic function in Jupyter is one that begins with a percentage sign. This will only work running this in Colab. It won't work if you run this magic function in Jupyter. That's something to note. You'll have to install TensorFlow 2 manually if you're using Jupyter. So that's probably where you'd go to this upgrade link. But if you're using Colab, just run this cell. So that's just that comment telling you that this magic function only exists in Colab. So TensorFlow, we want version 2.x. So this is just saying, hey, load TensorFlow 2.x, except, exception, pass. Now let's see what happens when we run this. TensorFlow is already loaded. Please restart runtime to change versions. Okay. So this is where we'll have to go up into runtime and restart our runtime. Remember, this is just like in a Jupyter notebook if you are restarting the kernel or something like that. It just means that it's just going to reset all the variables stored on Google's machine and we can reload them in a fresh manner. Wonderful. So if we ran this, we'd re-import the old version of TensorFlow. But if we run this, we should get TensorFlow 2.x. Boom, TensorFlow 2.x selected, and now let's check it out just to make sure. Print tf version. We go tf dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Oh, I think I've got 3 there. TF is not defined. What are we doing here? We need to re-import TensorFlow. Of course. Silly sausage, Daniel. So if we go import TensorFlow as TF, autocomplete, thank you Google. And is it going to be 2.x? Please let it be 2.x. Wonderful. 2.1.0. We're already at version 2.1. Things move fast. Okay, so we're going to wrap up this video nice and short. That's just how to load in TensorFlow 2.1.0, which is what we use in this project. If you get this message by running this cell. If you ran this cell previously and you get TensorFlow version 2 point something, ignore this code here. So I'm just going to comment this out for me for now, so I don't accidentally run it. Beautiful. I'll see you in the next video.